Copenhagen began as a former Viking fishing village turned capital of Denmark in the 15th century. This vibrant city includes castles, palaces, world-renowned food, and its pride and joy, the Little Mermaid. If you're only here for a few short days, here's a few cool things you can do. Copenhagen is an extremely bike-friendly city, so taking a bike tour is a highly recommended option. It is a relaxing, easy way to explore the sights. We opted for a 3-hour tour that took us past many of the major tourist spots. A particular highlight was biking through the Citadel, which is one of the best preserved fortresses in Northern Europe, with beautiful, open green spaces. And it is pretty amazing. You can cycle right outside the doors of the Danish royal residence. We're here at Amalienborg Palace. It is actually where the royal family currently lives. And yes, Denmark does have a royal family. It is made up of 4 of these Rococo-style buildings. This one right here is where the king and his family currently live. Over here to my left, that is where his mother, the former queen, lives. Right in front of me, we have the residence of his brother, who just so happens to be at home. And right here is the residence that is for royal visitors. And as you can see, the square is quite open, so I am going to walk right up, knock on the door, and see if I can invite myself in. Okay, yeah, so I didn't get in. However, you can watch the changing of the guard ceremony that takes place at 12 o'clock every single day. This is the most visited tourist attraction in all of Copenhagen. It is the Little Mermaid statue, inspired by the fairy tale written by Hans Christian Andersen. You might be surprised to know, but there are 6 other Little Mermaid statues that can be found throughout the city. If you enjoy culture, but you also love adventure, then you won't want to miss the Church of Our Saviour. This Baroque-style church has been a central place of worship for over 3 centuries. Its unique feature is an external staircase that wraps around the spire and has 400 steps to the top. And we're about to go climb it. Just walking up the 400 flights of steps on the outside of this spire. It's a good thing I'm not afraid of heights, right? Because it's quite precarious. The views are amazing, but this is really only for the brave. Another great way to see the city is by taking a boat tour. Given that Copenhagen was actually built as a trading harbor, seeing the city from the water feels like a must-do. Nyhavn means new harbor. It was constructed in the 17th century as a gateway from the sea to the intercity. Now it's one of the most popular places in Copenhagen. It's busy with colorful houses lined with bars, cafes, old wooden boats. A great place to stop and enjoy a drink, if you can get a table. If not, there's these couple of shops off the side streets where you can pick up takeaway drinks and still enjoy the views. This Dutch Renaissance building behind me is Rosenborg Castle. It was built in the 17th century by King Christian IV. It was a formal royal residence, but is now a tourist stop where you can also visit the Danish crown jewels. It's located in the center of King's Garden, which is Copenhagen's oldest park. Now, whether you go inside or not, you want to be sure to make a stop here and enjoy these beautiful grounds, especially on a sunny day. do choose to go inside, as well as the beautiful castle interiors, you'll get to check out the main attraction, the Danish crown jewels. Tivoli Gardens is one of the oldest amusement parks in the world, and it's located here in the center of Copenhagen. It has inspired other amusement parks such as Disneyland. But the oldest amusement park is also located in Denmark, so I guess those Danes really like their rides. Tivoli is not just an amusement park. It also has beautiful gardens, restaurants, and entertainment. After dark, the entire park is illuminated and comes to life. I really recommend staying around until the end of the evening to catch the sound and light show. We are walking around Christiania. It is a free town that was established in 1971 on old army barracks. They have their own laws. It's kind of got this hippie commune vibe, but it is free to walk around, and there are bars and restaurants and shops that you can check out. These beautiful bright yellow houses is in an area called Nyhavn, which is an historic district in Copenhagen. They were originally constructed as naval barracks, but are now residential homes that retain its original charm. It's been a great long weekend in Copenhagen. Check out my blog for more tips and recommendations. As always, like and subscribe. But I'm closing this weekend out with my good friends, Metallica.